Jello Beats, holla at
I'm like, hit it, we made it. Run up on me with the new, but you rappers be looking outdated. You hate but don't want it. Come up to me with a challenge and see that I don't got opponents. I probably go out to New York and they keep the wild like a rapper just came from Wyoming. It's ice on the rollie. Rappers that really not with it, they never would told a Pistolia. I be with the homies. Rappers keep talking until they get body, man. This youngest stay hot like wasabi. Choppers to his top, make it pop like a molly, man. This youngest stay up, you can draw me. Ice up on my neck to look like I play hockey, man. If faker, I dare you to try me. Run up on the squad and get shot like karate, man. This section here is a rider. I'm riding the beat and I kill it regardless. They know I'll be mobbing the problem. I solve it. The boy that came back like I shot them revolvers. Now have you decided? Have you decided that I'm a king? Have you decided that I'm a G? Have you decided that I am a rider? And when I get on the beat, I'm a king. White joggers and a white beater and a gold chain like I'm Derek Jeter. Talking about a feature. I ain't never seen her, never drunk a leader, but I am a leader. Play the game, but I am not a cheater. But I probably cheat you if you are the reaper. Get it? Cheated death, yeah, I cheated death. Now I'm getting deeper, trying to cop a ride. You're a Maserati, you're a new Bugatti. Now I'm spitting steeper and I'm spitting fire like I'm in a steamer. Got my eyes open, but I'm still a dreamer. Y'all rappers sweet, mix you with a creamer. Man, I play dirty, never been a cleaner. 7 first and hella, make a screamers. Man, I have them screaming like you hit a cheater. I'm up in the building, you talk all that stuff when you rap for a living, you whacked out. The youngin' be gunning, you talk about running and humming until you black out. You taking the call, only money talks, so I just want milk in the stash house. Man, you only 15 and you only 16, you talk about pulling them straps out. Man, I want a condo and I want a Hummer, I bet you that Hummer won't crash now. Do not want to fake for the then you mistaken, you got me forsaken, you slashed out. Man, I am not glad, man, I'm getting mad, so I'm about to spit till my spaz out. I'm out in Atlanta, they holding them hammers, but just like a camera, I'll snap now. I'm writing with lead and I'm at your head, and you're getting busting them cast out. Said that you blast out, you said that you with it, I bet you won't last now. And I would just laugh out, cause didn't I tell you to take better pass now? And now you are hitting cause you did not listen. No wonder you sleep in the crack house. I just came back on the block. I don't know.